In this video, I'll show you how to create your Revolut account step by step. Once you've downloaded the Revolut app, open it and click Sign Up. Start by entering your phone number and click Sign Up. You'll receive a 6-digit code. Enter it to proceed. Next, you'll be asked if you want to enable push notifications. You can choose Enable Push Notifications and click Allow or select Not Now. Now, choose your country of residence. Use the drop-down menu to search for your country, select it, and confirm by clicking Sign Up Securely. After this, enter your email address. You'll then be prompted to create a 6-digit password. Create and confirm your password. You'll also have the option to enable Face ID for added security. Simply click Enable Face ID if you wish to use this feature. Next, enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your passport, followed by your date of birth. You'll then be asked for your home address. Search for it, confirm it, and click Continue. You'll need to accept Revolut's terms of service. You can review them by clicking Personal Terms, and once ready, click Accept and Continue. To verify your identity, you'll need to take a quick photo. Keep a neutral expression, as this is only for verification purposes. Then confirm if you are a citizen of the indicated country by selecting Yes or No. Choose a document for identity verification, such as a passport or national IDs, and upload a photo. Once everything looks good, click Submit Photo. Next, you'll be asked to enter your social security number if required, and confirm your tax residency by selecting Yes or No. You'll then choose what you want to use Revolut for, select your preferences, and upload a profile picture. In the next step, you can find friends on Revolut if you'd like. You'll also choose a plan, whether it's Ultra, Metal, Premium, Plus, or the free plan by clicking Not Now in the top right corner. You'll then decide between a physical or virtual card. For this example, select Virtual. Finally, add money to your account. Order a physical card if needed, add the card to Apple Wallet, and make 3 card payments. And just like that, your Revolut account is ready to use.